Hello everyone, let's do experiment to measure the aniline point. So what is aniline point? Aniline point is if you mix the same equal volume of aniline with your let's say diesel fuel, and mixture equal volume, mix them together, and the minimum temperature that the two components still can mix well. Under this temperature, below this temperature, and the two components won't mix very well and will become cloudy. So that is the minimum temperature is aniline point. And why we need this aniline point? Because aniline point is very important index that can give you estimation of the aromatic hydrocarbon content in your fuel, because the aromatic hydrocarbons usually have lowest aniline point, and the paraffins usually have the highest value. So based on the aniline point, you will have estimation how much of the aromatic hydrocarbon in your fuel, and this in return will indicate how well the hydrocarbon will act as a diesel fuel. Okay, so that's some background of the aniline point, and we're gonna start the experiment. And the procedure is like this. I need to measure 10 milliliter of aniline, and so equal volume, that will be 10 milliliter of aniline and 10 milliliter of, I use number 1 diesel. This is aniline and it's toxic, so don't touch it. No direct contact with skin. And I put 10 milliliter here. And this is the number 1 diesel we just used in the previous experiment. Okay, now I need to mix these two components. Aniline 10 milliliter, and number 1 diesel 10 milliliter. As you can see, they are separate at room temperature. So I need to make sure they are uniformly mixed. And this is the thermometer and the stir wire. Okay, so I can gently up and down, up and down to mix this mixture. Seems like no matter how I mix them, because I'm at room temperature, they won't mix well. Now I need to heat this up, use the burner. Okay, so this is the test tube holder. I need to hold this, and to heat this up, use the Bunsen burner. And you cannot heat too fast. It have to keep like slowly raise the temperature about 1 to 3 degrees per minute. Turn around the thermometer so I can see the temperature. Okay, let's heat this up. Temperature is going up. Now I'm below 40 degrees. It's too fast. Too fast. I'm around 50, almost 60. Okay, let me stir it. I need to stir slowly. Make sure I don't want to introduce bubble. Okay, let's get better. Now I have to keep raise the temperature. It's almost 60 now. Is 63. And 67. Already 70. 75. This way I can make it more uniform temperature raising up instead just heat on the bottom. Also help mix this. just get better and better in the mixing. I'm already around 85 something. Almost 90 degrees C. Okay, at this point, it's already completely mixed well. And have a look at it now. It's like red wine. Okay. Then let's put it here and let's see. When it suddenly becomes cloudy, that will be our reading of the aniline point. Now we are at 85. We add around 85. Okay, we will continue in the next video for the aniline point. I don't want one video too long. It will be hard for me to upload.